Hello viewers, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change Facebook profile username. So first of all, open your Facebook apps and log in your Facebook account. Look at the right side, tap onto three line, scroll down, go to settings and privacy, click on settings, see more in account center, select profile, and now shown here to username option, click on, and here you can easily edit your username and then click on to done. Okay, now done. So that's how you can easily change Facebook profile username. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more video.